Welcome to Murphy Middle School's 2020-2021 virtual open house. My name is Dr. Justin Durham, and I am the proud principal here at Murphy Middle School. During the open house, you will be able to select on a welcome video for each individual teacher that your child may have. Once you've watched the welcome video, you will also be able to select your child's teacher's webpage. When you're on the webpage, the information that you should find are different things that your child may need for the class. If you have any question, once you have looked over the teacher's webpage, you will find their email address. Please email them any questions and they will gladly get back to you. During our virtual open house, I hope that you find that we are inviting and that we are excited, definitely excited about having kids, whether they are face to face or whether they will be virtual. We take pride in serving the school community here at Murphy Middle School, and we are excited to get school started. So, again, if you've got any questions, please feel free to email the individual teacher, or you can email any of the administrators that you'll be able to find on the administrative page. Again, I'm Dr. Durham, and I am excited about this school year and the opportunity that we are going to have to work with this community.